Imagine suing the federal government because you came here illegally. They found you, they arrested you, and deported you. Apparently, that's what these people are trying to do. Y'all like the video right here. Follow for more updates and check this one out.
To the latest on the federal immigration operations here in Southern California, the ACLU and family members whose loved ones were detained are speaking out about what they call unlawful activity by the Trump administration.
Lou, hi, this news conference just wrapping up now. Behind me, as you mentioned, there were family members of people detained, also attorneys and advocates from several organizations that were here to announce a class action lawsuit that was filed today. You can see them wrapping up here behind me. Now, they say that they have filed this complaint against DHS and ICE, among other governmental agencies. That news conference took place at a car wash where a federal raid took place last week. The owner of Bubble Bath Car Wash in Torrance told KTLA about 20 masked federal agents swarmed his business. Video showed agents pushing the owner inside the car wash tunnel as he was questioned. 2 employees were detained, sparking concern from family members who said they didn't know where their loved ones were taken. Now, some of them spoke out today. This coalition said during the news conference that they are now taking on the Trump administration's immigration raids that have taken place in many locations, including on street corners, parking lots, car washes, agricultural and day labor sites. They allege that those taken into custody have been held in ICE custody in, quote, dungeon-like facilities and deplorable conditions. The lawsuit was filed this morning. The plaintiffs include 5 individual workers as well as 3 organizations
if you don't want to go
and a legal services provider. This includes the LA Worker Center Network, United Farm Workers, the Coalition for Humane Immigrant Rights, or CHIRLA, and Immigrant Defenders Law Center. They allege constitutional violations. They're requesting that the court certify this case as a class action and issue preliminary and permanent injunctions to stop further violations. As I mentioned, a family member of a car wash worker spoke out earlier today. Take a listen.
Taken by ICE on June 17th, and he just on his day off, and he was just going to work to support his family. We just want him to come home. He's never done anything wrong, and he's always a worker,
he was
hardworking person.
That's wrong.
If he had his last dollar, he would give it up, up to you, and it's just heartbreaking for us.
It is critical that we claim our rightful rights under the Constitution.
Papers.
This lawsuit speaks to protecting our basic freedoms in the middle of an onslaught by our own government. This attack on our community is comprehensive and cruel, involving the illegal snatching and grabbing of community members off the streets like this car wash, and then subjecting them to unconstitutional and dehumanizing confinement conditions.
Now, the Department of Homeland Security did issue a statement in response, saying in part that any claims that individuals have been targeted by law enforcement because of their skin color are disgusting and categorically false. They also said, quote, any claim that there are subprime conditions at ICE detention centers are false. And we will be talking to more of the people who are here at this news conference and bring you much more in the next hour.